Scarface, you'd have to ready up.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Yes.
Raiding party! Whoa.
The game does not appear to be starting. Or is it bugged?
It just started.
Saracens pocket.
Okay.
So you were
Okay.
right. They're going for Saracens pockets.
Yeah, Saracens and Huns, right?
Yeah.
So against Ethiopians and Mayans. So yeah, we have some work to do, criminal.
Yeah. I mean,
Although with Portuguese, this should be helpful.
skills also have a nice bonus. Can spam arbs. Three ranges. Cheap.
Not getting anything loading right now, but
Still on your potato PC?
I think it's about
no, I have a better. I have my original one.
Okay.
We figured out what the problem was. Bob helped
Yeah,
me a little
it says
bit.
that you downloaded now, though. I'm in.
I'm in.
Oh, my deer are super close. This is amazing.
I think they're a little bit closer on this Arabia version.
It's like you don't really value cartography in Dark Age that much when you hear about it, but like when you actually see the effects of it, it's like, oh man, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm against the blue.
Right.
Yeah, I have a pretty amazing build here actually. Happy with it.
Is that your scout? Oh, now nice.
Yeah.
Let's hit here villagers here.
Right.
Oh, his DC is there though. Careful.
Oh yeah, that's but he still runs away. Yeah, we
let's
can
move on.
take that.
Let's kill the scout maybe.
Oh, we got green.
Yeah, I'm going. You're up, right? You can fight. You can fight this for
Yeah.
sure. You're up. Kill villager.
Yeah, Zuma, I'm going here.
Okay, coming.
Oh, that's nice. We killed the villager. You can be annoying to the villager building the archery ranges.
All right.
Watch out TC here.
Oh, he's building next to the.
Okay.
Gonna hit that.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. Look.
Oh
Nah.
shit. Yeah, being too cute there.
Oh, he's walling a lot here.
I think
Yeah,
I'm gonna
okay,
send the
okay.
archers right away
Almost.
to his gold. He is wanting something.
Watch
else.
the TC,
Yeah,
closer to TC.
His gold
Nice.
is for vulnerable, so.
Yeah, I'm sending the archers right away. Making.
I got in on the wood
no.
here, Zuma.
Okay.
Oh, he's so idle, this guy.
I killed the Vil.
Good job.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the archer.
Oh, enemy scouts.
Yeah, I see.
Gonna make a spearman as well.
There's one archer and scouts coming here.
Sorry.
Engage.
Yeah, that's my mistake.
Sorry. I'm
Spear.
Oh, that wasn't your archers. Oh, a spearman. Need to be
You
careful.
just right here.
Archers now. Oh, sorry, I didn't see the fight there. I was
That's
busy
fine.
killing wheels now.
I'm gonna go back and adjust my economy a bit.
Yeah, probably good.
I think we're applying good pressure here.
Oh, he had to delete the mill as well. Holy
He still
cow.
has no fletching. Can maybe fight this.
Oh, you need fletching.
Found
we
Warville's
can
eyes
fight this
open
if
on
you
the
don't
wood
have
line as
flashing.
I'm
well.
killing
He
scouts on
doesn't
the other
have,
side.
Oh, he doesn't have either. Never mind.
I have, he doesn't.
I'm back at his golden wood.
Oh wait.
He's got archers here. I'm busy killing his vills though.
Okay,
I'll kill like
I'm
5
killing
of
I'm
them
killing
now.
villas on his wood.
Okay, okay.
I'm not gonna engage here in the archers because
see.
I'm just gonna die. But I kill enough villagers here. Just gonna back up until I get the numbers.
More scouts coming.
Okay, he's got a bunch of scouts and archers here.
If you focus this.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay,
If you can fall back a bit.
I'll fall back to there.
Yeah, that's nice. Now we have the hill. He's making a tower. I don't think it's gonna go up.
Did you see exactly how many?
It's
archers?
I'm coming with
close enough,
you.
I think it will go up.
Yeah.
I can't really.
Oh,
stop
he's
it
back
from
at your
all anymore.
base. Let's go back and fight
Yeah.
the gold.
You can just patrol the scouts. You don't need to die. Yeah, this is good for us.
Help here.
Okay,
He's losing a lot. You can go back even.
Ah,
Just
fuck! I
have to
didn't see
commit
that.
It's enough damage.
Oh, you're a bit ahead of me. Sorry.
that's
You can
fine.
save your scouts, Bob.
Okay. Stop making them.
No, I'm just saying, like, save the rest. So, if you have.
Nice.
Okay,
I only lost
Yeah,
2
maybe look
vills
for
there,
some
so it
other
should be
areas to hit.
okay.
Oh. Pretty persistent.
Yeah, they lost a
Okay.
lot here, like the whole army.
let's try and get around to, yeah, I'll go to your side where that wood line is.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same.
Okay, he
Yeah, they
obscured
abandoned
that.
this one.
We might even want to start moving towards the pocket, but let's hit his gold first.
Mm,
Oh, he's got a
he's still
tower.
making scouts.
I can probably hit the wood still there on the south.
Come up.
Or do you want to
Okay.
dive?
No, okay,
You
never
don't
mind.
have to go up, actually.
You take the wood on the south, and
Yep.
I'm gonna move towards the pocket, I think.
Okay, your scouts. I have bigger numbers. I think we're fine.
Oh, go back a bit. Watch out. I can help you here.
Okay. Yeah, let's push towards pocket.
Yeah, let's go.
Did you click up, Bob?
Yeah.
I'm clicked up too. I think I'm gonna add more. More.
Watch archers
soldiers.
behind. Alright, scouts behind you. Fight. I clicked up. I don't have any more
Didn't make it.
scouts, so
It's a huge amount of scouts. Didn't make it.
Okay. I'll
Seems like you overcommitted into scouts here.
I mean,
It's
no,
not even
but
gonna
you
kill
know,
all
I
my
don't need them, I
archers.
don't need them. You can do whatever. I'm fine here. I have a lot of archers.
Yeah, you had to fall back as well. This is really good for me. Oh, he's got the more
I'm
archers
gonna
now.
tank. I'm gonna stay on this hill.
I'm clicking up as well. They're really overcommitting into the fuel pressure here.
Just
Yeah.
to make sure save your army. Take your army back, since I think
I'm trying
they've got a
that.
lot of scouts. So send them back to your town until I get knights there.
Yeah, Korea also had some watchers. I'm not gonna take like a 2v1 fight. It doesn't make any sense. I'm finding more damage here.
Okay, green is up to castle edge. Getting the upgrades now.
Yeah, we should be a-okay.
You wanna fight now with my upgrades? Ooh, I
Yeah,
didn't
sure.
click. I didn't click crossbow.
Oops. Oh, I thought you said
should have
click
the
castle. I'm
crossbow
like, what? Uh-oh.
Oh, look out for the camels.
We actually should probably, with your crossbows, we should actually probably move towards the pocket.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You wanna go sneaky loop around, or
No,
you just wanna
no,
go straight
just straight.
there? Alright.
You start. You go ahead and start walking towards pocket.
Yep. Oh, okay.
GG.
Yeah, I mean, we're all in Castle Age. We're hitting pretty hard. Pretty solid.
It's really.
I did feel a little bit of lag, but yes, I'm still in the game. Even did the last guys resign? Can you guys hear me? Lost connection to server. This is interesting. I'm gonna stop recording for a moment.